Here I have TECNO Pop 8, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly you should go to contacts, then you should switch to its settings, select import to export contacts, then select where from, in case from our SIM card, then select where to our phone contacts. So here you can see I only have only one contact, so you select it, select all the contacts you want to transfer and tap OK. And after that these contacts should appear on your device. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.